Well, hey, and welcome to the Brand Builder University YouTube channel. On this channel, you're going to find a couple of things, and the first one is it's where the Brand Builder Show is hosted. The Brand Builder Show is a weekly podcast designed to help current and aspiring Amazon sellers build 7-figure brands in 3 years or less. The goal with the show is to bring on brand builders who are in the midst of building a brand or have built a brand or have helped others build brands to that point so that you can learn from their wisdom, open up for long form conversation, really dig into the details of how they built what they built, and hopefully you're going to find so much value from that. So each of those episodes is uploaded to this channel. The second thing you'll find on this channel are short form tutorials that are tactical, strategic in nature, that are designed to help you get your questions answered so that you can grow a successful business. These tutorials come from a place of being practitioners, being in the trenches with you. Amazon FBA specifically is an industry that changes fast, and so you'll find continual of updates of what's working now. And so what I want to encourage you to do is, of course, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be building this out even more over the period to come. So I want to welcome you. Subscribe, become part of the community, and I can't wait for you to see what we have in store for the Brand Builder University YouTube channel. I'll see you soon.